Good morning, beautiful people. Dropping off my boys at school. And who do we have here? Good morning.
Good morning.
I love you.
I love you.
I miss you.
I miss you.
Bye. Guys, back at the shop next day. We got to get out mobile. My dad is going to continue doing these beautiful shelving. Once we get back, we'll see what he have done. We're just taking a quick bathroom break, and then we'll be at our next location. I just want to see what you guys think. A new car cover? Is that new and improved? Well, hopefully they're not gonna scratch the paint. So we're back at the shop. I like this. This is good. We have the bottom one all the way down, and then this top one just goes up to here. Tato, thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you. My wife dressed me, by the way. Hi, little one. Okay, Mama. I'll see you soon. Bye. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Baby, what? The boys are where?
Choir practice?
Choir practice. Let's do something fun.
Yeah, like what?
Let's go shopping.
Let's go.
Grocery?
I need to buy
Shopping?
grocery and yeah.
So yeah, this is our excitement.
Hold
Baby.
On. What you got?
Baby, don't cry. The holiday candy section.
Here?
Oh, for all my customers? For all my customers, huh? So usually every year for Christmas, we buy some candies, and we do these greeting card with our picture with our family, and I leave a box of candies with a greeting card in their vehicles. Yes, guys, it's Christmas, so it's not that hot. The candies don't melt, even if you leave it for a whole day. Usually we wait until it's really cold, and that's when we give them out. But we try to give it before it actually hits Christmas. What? Break it down, Mama. What did you just say?
So we should try to make it to go around Thanksgiving, since it's, you know,
Okay, so not a bad idea. Mommy just said do it for Thanksgiving Day, because you know, thankfulness.
ASAP.
So yeah, we had to do a photo shoot ASAP.
Did you have this little guy here?
And this little guy,
Yeah.
haven't got a photo shoot with him yet. Sucks that the kids are not here.
Are you kidding me? It's good that they're not here. I'd be begging for this.
Look at that, 349 at Sam's Club. Wow, that's pretty sick. I think my kids will be all over this. If they, yeah, I guess. They would probably be jumping up and down. I guess we're lucky that we're without the boys right now. Come here, baby. What was she saying? The cartoon is nice. Because she was watching the TV over there. Hey, where did you go? I see you. I found you. I saw a whole bunch of people do that on video. Start throwing stuff in the cart, so that's what I just decided to do that, and that's pretty fun though. I gotta tell you.
Oh, dessert cups. Remember
Oh, chocolate dessert cups?
Yeah, remember I used to make
That's
them from
pretty cool.
balloons, dipping the balloons.
No, wrong. Here. No, what are you doing? Hold on. Good job. Can I have it? Thank you. So we were supposed to go to Walmart and I guess change the plans. We just spent too much time at Sam's, so now we gotta go home because the little one's crying. We're almost home even though we're still in Sam's parking lot. What'd you say?
You start walking.
It's the next day. Did end the vlog yesterday. I gotta get on some video editing done. I'm still editing. Violetka comes in here because she has her first ever braids. Hi, baby. Are you gonna show me your braids? Huh? You can. Wow! You're so cute. Thank you.
Thank you.
You gonna give me a kiss? No. Kiss? Thank you. Voila. Edit complete. 2:13 p.m. and I started this at 10 a.m. Now I have to go to the shop, try to get that motor put on a reel, wash my car. My sister also called. She needs her car washed. I guess I'll help her out because her husband is actually out working. Oh, what are you guys doing?
Tato, can you read this?
Sea sillies?
No, like that.
Oh, how does the ocean say hello?
And now read the white words.
With a wave.
What? How did it do that?
Definitely stop by and get Dutch Bros. What do you think? Are you sure?
So good. I got a cotton candy.
Hi! There you go.
Wow, look at all the new adjustments.
So we are at the shop. I don't know what we should do first. We're trying to decide if we should start building the motor or should we wash the cars first and then do the reel. But definitely excited, so I can't wait. Most critical planning. Hello, sister. Bad timing. Dad just started grinding. Anyways, you can say hi. Hi. Trying to align the motor and the star so the chain lines up with the top sprocket and the bottom gear on the motor, on the reel, sorry. The sprocket with the motor and the gear that's actually sitting on the actual reel that is going to make it spin. We're going to weld a piece of bracket because the motor doesn't reach from one L frame to the next. So the frames that we originally put on there, they're spread out too far, so the motor itself won't reach to the front and the back. Let's get started welding. By the way, when you guys hear me say Tatu, that means dad in Ukrainian. So I say thank you, Tatu. Looking good. Thank you, Tatu. Thank you. That's right, I got 2 batteries dead out of 4. The motor is off. Now he needs to weld on, continue welding that bracket piece that was attached to the motor. This funnel we use to fill up the pressure washer down here. You can see it's been damaged a little bit, so it leaks right here. So I think I need to go to Home Depot real quick. I need to get some other supplies and build a new funnel basically. So this is what I was talking about. We had to add a little bracket like this. that, I spent $37, and that's what I got. So I can build me a funnel. Yes, babe. So anyways, thank you for uploading my new YouTube video.
Yes, I'm being the boss for the day.
Alright, babe. Bye, love you. I gotta create my new funnel. So funnel is gonna be on hold. Now I guess we gotta go wash cars. Might as well rinse mine. I don't think I'm gonna really wash it. My car, my sister's car, and my dad's car. And then these kids just playing basketball. Here we go. Alright guys, it's dark already. Just finished up washing these cars. Got to the shop around 2 and some change. It seemed like it was gonna be a quick one, right? 8:15. Lucas is saying he's hungry. He's digging through. Oh yeah, we got some banana bread here.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Finally.
Or a burger.
Chicken sandwich.
You want a chicken sandwich?
Mm-hmm.
So you wanna go to Chick-fil-A? You want Chick-fil-A? You got it. Let's do this. We got the food. I'm hungry. 10 o'clock, believe it or not complete. The only process that we need to do is wire it, but for right now, just to be safe, we're gonna test it. You're coming with me. So before we do the van project, we're gonna try to clean up all this stuff. Okay, so we have success. All these shelving that I had, we're giving away to my brother. He's getting those free shelves. I'm gonna charge him $1,000. He doesn't know that. We got 2 of the shelves cleared, and now it's starting to look much more cleaner. So I'm waiting on that side. But after we're done with this completely, we'll do the motor for our reel. So my brother just took off. He took facility too. He's gonna drop it off at home. Chilling here, doing our usual stuff. We have this remote that goes to the receiver. This is it right here. This is what we're gonna wire it up to. Oh, yeah, that's right. So I was just showing. This is Mike. Mike, how you doing?
Hi.
Which is gonna allow that remote that I have to control it. We got some extra wires that we needed. All these connections, some shrink tube. We're not done yet, guys, so we can't test it yet because we're gonna do a complete wiring. All right, guys. All the wiring is done. Okay, good. Ready? So look at this. I had this off. My dad just tested it. It didn't run. So let me put the power on. Good. I am liking this. I am liking this. I am liking this. There we have it. Finished product. This is a volt regulator up top right here. We did not run it through the volt regulator because if you're out in the back and if you just put a little pressure on the hose, and reel it up. It works just fine. It's not too fast. So I guess for right now, we're just gonna not use the volt regulator, but I guess since once we have it up there, I'm just gonna leave it on there for now. But the wiring process, everything's done. I'm super excited. Finally finished it. Now it's time to clean up. Me and my dad, we always like to build something from scratch. If any of you guys ever want to know on certain things that I built here, feel free to comment. We can probably shoot a video explaining it. This is what I'm super excited about. I'm just happy we accomplished something else today. This is super awesome. Okay, yeah, so we're done with the motorized reel. As you remember, this side, we've done those shelves. We're gonna measure out for this side, and we're gonna run 2 shelvings, one lower, one higher. Just the same way we did here. We pick up some supplies at Home Depot today, and then we'll work on it probably like Thursday or Friday, because it's supposedly supposed to rain. Thursday or Friday. It shows like 25% for Thursday, give or take, and then like 60-65 on Friday. Just got back with more wood shelving. Down low real quick. We're done for today. Thank you for sticking around, guys. You know what time it is. You guys stay beautiful, be blessed, and we'll see you guys in the next one.